Keshav, yes, I've known him for a very long time. I still remember when I used to go to the gym, he used to be there. That's where I think being healthy, being fit comes from. But I think GVK Diagnostics, I think it's a really good idea where Keshav has come up with, and of course I know Pinky Auntie, and I've known her for a very long time, and I met their whole family also. So I think. Talking about health and fitness, I think it's very, very important to stay healthy and to stay fit. Not that, as an athlete, I'm saying this, but I think for a normal human being also, it is very important that, you actually go out there, give some time for yourself and make sure you do some sort of exercise and stay fit and stay healthy. I think that's very important in today's life. Yes, I think mental health is a very important aspect nowadays because a lot of people are talking about it. I think it's very important to make sure you take care of your mental health as well, not just the physical aspect. Because మనము కొన్నిసార్లు ఆడేటప్పుడు లేకపోతే any in your life when you're having those ups and downs, people actually take it very hard to themselves. But I mean, it's important to actually make sure there's always a next time, and also it's not just the end of the world, and that is how I feel that you have to always think for yourself that there's always a next time and come back stronger, and you have to just stay calm and keep going because ఓటం అన్నది ఎవరికైనా ఉంటుంది. It is life. There are ups and downs, there are failures in life, but you need to come out from that, and how you come out is on you. You are the main reason, and yeah, I think it's the wellness for your family, of course, begins here. This is the first card for me. I mean, thank you, Keshav, for giving this. I mean, I'm definitely going to go out there and tell people how important it is to actually stay fit, and of course about the GVK Diagnostics specialty clinic, because people need to know, people need to understand that health, you can't take it easy. It is on you, and it depends on you at the end of the day. It's not that when someone says you do it, but when it's not that when you need emergency you go out there and do your checkups and go to the doctor, but also even though you're fine, it is a process. You go out there, do your checkups, and make sure you're healthy, make sure you're fit. You will be good, your life will be good.
So today is the first year anniversary of GVK Diagnostics and Specialty Clinics. So as a token of appreciation during Independence Day, we're launching some new initiative for good health of everybody and being on screening ahead of time. So we've invited PV Sindhu Garu to grace our occasion today and talk a little bit to the audience about good health, good behavior, and how you can stay fit during your years. అంటే మాకు we have over 20 doctors and specialists here. So నేను డాక్టర్ కాదండి, but generally I think stay fit, stay ahead of the curve, workout అవన్నీ ఉంటాయి. So I think better to stay vigilant and make sure that you take care of your health because you can't do anything otherwise.